Check. Right, I need to look in the kitchen or look in the shelves. Right. Let's see. They were here. I remember before Susie tidied up. Aha! Found them! Oh, hi guys. I nearly missed the start of the video, and I'm getting ready for an incredible event, a candy machine party! Can you imagine that? Give a thumbs up if you've seen at least one of my candy machine videos. We've already got a few of them, but of course there must be something new at a party. So, Susie is working on a new machine.
Hey! Are you telling our viewers what we're making today?
First, answer one question. What kind of candy is never on time?
Candy? On time? I don't know.
Chocolate!
Oh, Sammy, you're probably an expert on candy jokes.
Well, even I don't know all of them. Guys, if you know any candy jokes, write them in the comments. Update my collection.
But listen, our new machine won't have any chocolate.
No?
No, only round candies.
Oh, let's assemble the machine quick, or I won't have time to get ready for the party.
Don't worry, you will.
Then let's get started.
So this candy machine consists of several small cardboard pieces. We'll start assembling the first part. To make it, I've cut out pieces 6 by 2 centimeters and 2 squares, 6 centimeters and 2 centimeters.
I'll bring it!
What?
The 6 by 6 centimeter piece.
I've already cut it out. Besides, your piece is made of paper, not cardboard.
Oh, with this party I've confused everything. I better go continue getting ready for it.
Go on. And I'll arm myself with a glue gun and glue all the pieces together. I've drawn 2 lines here as a guide. We need to glue one piece sideways, like this. Then we'll glue a small square to it. Guys, be careful with the glue gun. It's really hot. And let's glue the second long piece. The first assembled part is ready. Now we need to cut out 3 rectangles, 2 6 by 9 centimeters and 1 7 by 9 centimeters, and we'll continue building the base of the machine.
I need to continue getting ready for the party. Oh, I need to decide what to wear. I have so many outfits now. It's kind of scary. Huh? Here, Bunny, dress up. Listen, guys, do you remember which outfits I have? Let me know which one you like the best. I'm really curious.
Before gluing these pieces together, I've drawn additional guidelines inside. Look, 4 centimeters here, and this strip is 2.5 centimeters. Now we can start gluing. We get a kind of a box without a front wall, and we'll place this piece with a square opening inside.
Catch the runaway!
Oh, just what I need! Look.
Cool, but doesn't look too party-like yet.
Well, it's not ready yet. I'll continue.
Hey, what about candy?
I'll keep it for further testing. Phew!
Testing. I know this testing. I love testing candies myself. Right, this goes here. Do you think these cups are for lemonade? Nope. These are cups for candies. That's how candy machines work.
How do candy machines work? Do you want to know? We're going to assemble the mechanism for this machine. Look, we'll take this piece. The square should be the same size as the one of the previous piece, 2 by 2 centimeters. Besides that, I'll need several wooden sticks. You can make them out of a skewer. We'll insert the longest stick through here. It's handy that the cardboard has so many holes. And secure it with glue. 1 and 2. Now let's prepare 2 small parts.
Sue, tell me, what bears don't have teeth?
Old bears?
Nope, gummy bears! So how's it coming?
Well, I'm assembling the mechanism for a candy machine.
Oh, it looks like, I don't even know what.
Then it's a candy machine mechanism that doesn't look like anything. We'll need to secure the rubber bands like this, really well. Then we need to glue the sides on. Let's apply some glue. And set the parts close to the walls. This is what we should get. Now let's place the mechanism in the machine. And secure the moving part of the mechanism very neatly. I'll even take the tweezers.
Shh! Don't breathe!
Oh, why can't you breathe?
Phew! It's so nice when you can breathe.
Yeah, I can't argue with that. So, where's our test candy? Ready? Look!
Awesome!
Now we need to make a funnel for candies. To make it, I'll take another part with a square opening.
Here, I brought these.
Oh, well, I made them myself.
And I brought them. No need to thank me.
All right. Now let's glue the pieces at an angle. We need to do it very carefully. This is our little funnel. We need to make one more piece, the front wall. Oh, hey, where's my ruler?
I need to think of something to make the machine look, well, unique. Oh, add eyes and any object will look unusual. Let's get to work.
There, 7 by 9 centimeters. Let's see. Great! We only need to put the front wall in place. Voila!
Sue, does anything else need testing?
Well, you can test it even though I haven't put the lid on yet.
Yay! And the test candy?
Here you go.
Let's see. Candy, come here! It works! Woohoo! Well done, Sue!
Let's put up transparent walls so that we can always see what's inside, like this.
And we also need a lid, but not this one, I guess.
Look, I think this lid will suit it better.
Everything is great in this machine, even the lid!
Sure, because it's an incredible machine for your candy machine party. It should be great. We only need to glue the sides now. And to make opening it more convenient, let's glue the handle on. I've made it out of a glue stick. Let's try it. Wonderful!
Not wonderful yet, Susie.
Oh, why not?
We can't do without decorating. A moment.
Oh, I wonder what kind of decorating Sam has come up with. Guys, if you know, pause the video and write in the comments.
Here!
These are eyes? And a pig snout?
Yep, glue them on.
Okay. Like this?
Wonderful! I guess it's time to pour the candies in.
Yes, but shall we take something brighter?
All right, let's do it.
And the last one.
Wait! I need to record this moment.
But we are recording.
For my personal archive. Right, continue.
Okay. Let's check out our machine in action. Pew! Pew! Yes! It's so cool, guys! Do you like it? I do. A lot.
Oh, my turn! Yahoo! Oh, wow! So cool!
Hey, let's get everything ready for your party.
Sure!
The big candy machine. The spiral machine. And also, drum roll, our new cute small candy machine. Everything's ready for the candy machine party.
Oh, yay! Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this video. And we're off to test the machines in
Bye-bye.
action.
Guys, subscribe to our channel to see even more interesting crafts. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified about new videos.